History in the making. Part two. So crazy right now.
I look to stare so deep in